If I got you, you stole my heart away with the things that you do. And lately, you drive me crazy, baby. Maybe that's why I escape in your love. There's no place.
Well, hi, my name is Landon Broom, and you're watching This Is L&S. What's going on, LS gang? Good morning. Well, good morning because it's morning for us, even though when you watch this, it'll probably be around 3, 4, 5 o'clock, but hey, don't matter. First off, it's a nice day. It's a nice day out here. LS gang, this morning we ran into a little bit of a problem. As you guys know, we only share one car. This is her or him. I don't really have a name for them yet. And sometimes that can become a sticky situation when you share one car, okay? Because sometimes, like today. So today, LS gang, she had something to do for most of the day that she would require the car for. But me, I also had something to do for most of the day that I would need the car for. It kind of was something like this. Good morning, baby.
Good morning. So I have some errands to run today, so I'll probably be gone for a couple of hours. I'm gonna go get my nail fixed and drop off mail and bills, so I'll see you in a couple hours.
Well, I have errands I need to run too, so I don't really know what to tell you. So, I came to an easy conclusion for me, and I was like, you know what, babe, let's just play one-on-one for the car, okay? I know, stick with me, it sounds crazy, okay? It is what it is. I'm not turning back, and I'm not taking it easy on her, even though she is a girl and my girlfriend. That's just how it is over here, okay? Nothing's handed to you, okay? You gotta earn it. So she has to beat me one-on-one on the court right here. This is the famous court, you know what I'm saying? I already beat my brother on it, you know what I mean? What's up? Too much for you? It's too much for you?
Hey, ref, can we get a foul?
She's gonna have to, come out here. I've been stretching this shit, so let's go get her. Baby, her freaking phone's right here though. So what the hell? Babe, what the hell's going on? Babe. What are you doing?
I'm warming up.
We were looking for you. You can't already be warmed up? Oh, I need to get some water and stuff first.
I got errands to run. Let's go. Let's get this.
Oh my, I gotta get water, come on.
I'm ready to get this over with, get this win so I can go run my errands, go get my nail fixed. Like, I got things to do. He's inside taking a water break already. We haven't even started. Like, this is gonna be cake.
What are you looking like that for?
Because you just look like you're ready to lose. You took a water break, we didn't even start. You're wearing Gucci shoes.
They're the only shoes that are by the front door.
Alright.
You're not gonna stretch? You don't need to stretch?
I stretched. I was out here 15 minutes earlier.
15 minutes?
I was ready. I'm warmed up.
Alright, so how you wanna do this? You wanna do the old rock, paper, scissors?
Let's see who makes it first.
Who makes it first?
Yeah. Okay. Can you say winner?
So let's go over the rules one time in this game. The rule is first 1 to 10. It's a full game of 10, okay? No cheating, no slapping, no nothing. Are you good? Are you good?
That's what. That's right.
Where you going with that?
I'm out of here.
What the? What the? All right, 1-0.
Get off of here! I'm a foul. You can't hug me. Who's that?
What you gonna do with it? You can't take too many steps. I'm calling all travels. I don't care if you're my girlfriend.
What do you mean? You already followed me, like.
Come on. No!
Ah! You got so lucky!
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, I feel like you should get a point just because Elsie didn't take it.
Come on. Get on the booty. Come on. Come on.
Yeah.
Give me those.
Why not?
No! All right, let's get. We're making it no take backs, okay? So if you get it off the rim, you can put it back in. That counts as a point. Right now, it's 1-1.
1-0.
It's still 1-0? Yeah. Damn. What you gonna do?
What if I make it backwards? That was the only way you can make it.
Hold on.
Touch rim to make it?
Yeah, 1-1.
Negative. What?
Run it back. That's too easy for me. All right, 3-1.
Get off me! You know what?
Oh, you don't have no shot, bro. Don't worry about that. I'm not worried about that. Okay. Your ball. 3-2. It's 3-2. No!
Snooze, you lose. That was a setup, you know?
What the hell? This has been a long, intense game. Right now it's 8-7. She's up by 1, even though it's 8-8. She's a cheater, but it's 8-7 right now. We're trying to finish this game out. You ready?
I will.
All you have is a shot. All you have is... Nope.
Ah, you missed.
Yeah. Ow! Ah!
Oh my God.
No. Yeah, give me those. The game is 9-8, LS gang. That's the game. You tired too?
No, I'm just getting started.
So you gotta bring it in. I'm not gonna let you shoot again. You're gonna have to bring it in. Where you going with it? Where you going?
Right here. Excuse me. Can you?
Hey, no, no.
Yeah. I would just like to say, boy, it feels good to be a winner. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Lord up above for helping me catch this win. You know, I wasn't sure in my skills, but you know, I proved through and I made it and I triumphed. And you still, it's okay. You want a high five? All right, guys. Well, it's time for me to go get ready in my car and run my errands that I gotta go. I gotta go get cleaned up. You know, these are the hands of winners. Gotta go.
I don't want to talk about it, bro. I really don't want to talk about it. You know what? She was my girlfriend. Ladies first, you know. I was gonna give her the car anyways. You know what I mean? Nah, hey. You know, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna hate. She came out here, she did her thing, all right? So I guess it's just me and you chilling all day. What a life. But anyways, guys, as always, really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the game. We'll see you soon. Peace.